the biggest myth around building a successful business and when things are always like getting you off track and you never really feel like you're in the groove or whatever, a lot of times we feel like we need to be working all the time. Raise your hand, tell me hello if you've ever felt like you just have to be doing stuff all the time. Hey, Kiara. And I really want you to know I don't work that much, hardly. I really don't. I actually have a blog post where it's called My Entrepreneurial Schedule Secrets. So today's Monday, got some work done, went to get a massage and did a little bit of shopping. You don't need to work 24/7. And in fact, when you do work all the time, you're never really getting the most important things done and you're gonna end up feeling burnt out. And so it's really important that you stay focused and you do the things that matter, okay? So keep the main thing the main thing. Hey, Stacy, ask yourself what needs to happen today to move forward in your business. So a lot of times I see people just working on the little details that don't really matter. So creating like a graphic for Instagram and making sure it like looks perfect, or updating their blog for the millionth time, or just like these little details that really don't make a big impact in your business when it comes down to it, okay? So I want you to ask yourself, what's the one thing I need to do that's going to move me closer to my goals? And do that first.